Are your windows in need of a little extra sparkle? And have you been searching for the best window cleaners in Milton Keynes to make your home or business shine? Well, look no further. In this comprehensive guide, RedClean will provide unbiased reviews of the most highly rated window cleaners in Milton Keynes. Firstly, we have MK Window Cleaning Services. MK Window Cleaning Services has earned a stellar reputation for its commitment and quality to customer satisfaction. With a team of experienced professionals, they offer both residential and commercial window cleaning services in Milton Keynes. The pros, they're consistently praised for their attention to detail and streak-free results. They use environmentally friendly cleaning solutions, and they offer flexible scheduling to accommodate your needs. Cons, prices may be slightly higher than some competitors. Next, we have Clean Windows For You. Clean Windows For You is a family-owned and operated window cleaning business known for its friendly and personalised service. Serving residential and commercial clients, they have become a trusted choice in Milton Keynes. Pros, exceptional customer service with a personal touch, affordable pricing options, and highly skilled and trained technicians. Cons, limited availability in some of the regions of Milton Keynes. Then we have Window Wizards. Window Wizards has gained a reputation for professionalism and efficiency in the Milton Keynes region. They specialise in residential window cleaning and pride themselves on using the latest equipment and techniques. Pros, they are efficient and have prompt service, competitive pricing, and a team of friendly staff. Cons, they're primarily focused on residential clients, so they may not be ideal for larger commercial projects. A1 Windows. A1 Windows is another top contender in the Milton Keynes window cleaning scene. They offer various services including traditional window clean and high-reach pulse systems for those hard-to-reach windows. Pros, they have versatile services to suit different needs. They have skilled technicians with a solid attention to detail, and they offer regular maintenance plans. Cons, some clients report occasional scheduling issues. Next up is Crystal Clear Windows. Crystal Clear Windows is a well-established window cleaning company with a loyal customer base in Milton Keynes. They use purified water technology to achieve spotless results on your windows and frames. Pros, they use cutting-edge technology for superior cleaning. They offer additional services like gutter cleaning, and they have competitive pricing for the quality of service. Cons, they have limited availability in certain parts of Milton Keynes. Lastly, we have Fresh View Window Cleaning. Fresh View Window Cleaning takes pride in its commitment to the environment and sustainability. They utilise eco-friendly cleaning solutions and pure water technology to deliver outstanding results. Pros, they have a strong eco-conscious approach. They use modern equipment for efficient cleaning, and they offer discounts for regular maintenance plans. Cons, they may only be available in some areas of Milton Keynes. Choosing the right window cleaner for you. Selecting the right window cleaner in Milton Keynes ultimately depends on your needs, location, and budget. All companies listed above have received positive reviews from satisfied customers, but it's essential to consider which one aligns best with your requirements. We at RedClean service over 4,500 customers every month as of August 2023 and counting. Before making your decision, here are a few steps to help you choose the perfect window cleaner. Read customer reviews. Reading reviews and testimonials from previous clients can give you a valuable insight into the company's reputation and service quality. But also, how do they handle any issues that go wrong? How does the company control any negative comments? Do they offer the level of support required if needed? Ask questions. Don't hesitate to contact the window cleaning companies directly. Ask questions about their cleaning methods, equipment, payment methods, and how they let you know on a day when they're going to visit and clean. Consider your location. Check if the company provides services in your area of Milton Keynes. Some companies may have restrictions on their service areas. Eco-friendly options. If environmental sustainability is essential, inquire about eco-friendly cleaning solutions and practices. Safety and trade bodies. How does the company that you're looking to employ stack up on working safely? If using ladders, why? Why not use the safest way possible, a water-fed pole as per working at height regulations? Insurance. What level of cover does the company have? Ask to see proof of the body before they start. If they employ, do they have employer's liability and public liability insurance? Does the policy cover the property that they're working on for accidental damage? In conclusion, whether you're a homeowner or a business owner in Milton Keynes, you have excellent options for window cleaning services. Remember that each company mentioned in this article has unique strengths and weaknesses. By following our tips and conducting your due diligence, you should be able to make the right choice for you.